Wagwan everyone, blessed afternoon. It's a beautiful Sunday and we have the 100-meter semifinals for men happening right now. I told everyone do not underestimate Seville. He just ran and he got a personal best of 9.81, taking the lead from Noah Lyles to win his semifinal. Now, Seville got a great start. He and Noah was neck and neck and they even exchanged glances near the finishing line. I mean, while going right there's so some ego thing happening that we don't know about. But Civil looked pleased with himself because he knows he has it in him to be great. Everybody's talking about Kishin. Not many are talking about Civil, but trust me, that young man has a lot of potential. We not see it. He not unleashed yet. And so we're bringing up the times. Noah Lyles got second there with 9.83, and it'll look good. Now we're going to move on to the next semi-final, and we will definitely keep you informed.